Live to cook. Take 2.
Hi, welcome back. So now we're going to move on to chutneys. So really, what is a chutney compared to a salsa or a relish? Or what is a chutney compared to a jam? The main difference between jam and chutney is jam is really just worrying about the sweetness and sugar, where a chutney is looking at a vinegar and a sweetener. So today we are doing a bacon, red wine, onion, bacon, maple chutney. And I'm excited what we're going to serve that with later. So first I'll show you what we started with. You can see here, I've already pre-cut and I cooked off my bacon first, okay? And then we talked about julienning onions earlier in the last one. I used 3 different kinds of onions in this. I used a white onion, red onion, and shallots. Shallots is like a miniature version of an onion. It has more flavor. And like I said, when we julienne that onion, we're going core to core, okay? And we're gonna take the top and the bottom off. If something's round, make it flat. Take it off the top and the bottom. Okay, we're gonna peel that. And then we just slice it down. So you can do that with any onion, core to core. That is julienne, okay? So then I took my 3 different kinds of onions, and after I cooked my bacon, I added that. And I sauteed it and caramelized it for quite a while, okay? And so I can hear my pan in the background getting hot, and I'm ready for the red wine. That's gonna infuse some red wine into the onions, okay? And we're gonna go off sec, means to dry. So we're gonna hit the pan. And as you can see, it comes up. That means off sec, to dry, okay? So as that's coming together, we're gonna look at our sweetener. Now you can use brown sugar, any kind of sweetener. Because I have bacon there, I'm gonna use a maple syrup, okay? And for my vinegar, I'm gonna use a balsamic. Now, given what I'm using. Now, this is gonna take a little while to come together as a jam because that sugars and the vinegars have to cook together. So I'm gonna have to actually transfer it into this pot, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do now. I'll show you right here. So now that red wine's kind of soaked into the onions, okay? And it's gone dry, and it's off sec. A-U-S-E-C, off sec.
Blue wants some.
Sorry, Blue, none for you. And now we're gonna have to let that cook for a while in this pot. So I'm gonna add my sugar product. And that's gonna be maple syrup. Now again, like I said, you can use, now because we wanna let that, we have to let that condense down and becomes a syrup. And my vinegar. And when this comes together, and it'll become like jelly-like, then we have our chutney. Like I said, lots of times it's done with fruit, but because what I'm serving with this, if you could smell this right now, what a great smell. So again, I've got my julienne, 3 different julienne onions, garlic, bacon, balsamic vinegar, maple syrup, and of course I hit that with the red wine. And I'm gonna let that cook for a while I get ready for relishes, and we'll come back when it's all ready.